Hi everybody, welcoming you once again in the channel of Learn English, and today I have brought something amazing once again for you, and that is definitely showing you on your screens the writing process. Now, what is the writing process? Use the steps for better writing to be a good writer. If you aren't before, you can be a very good writer. So let's be a smart and a good writer. Do you know, writing is an expression that helps you a lot in your daily life. So let's be a good writer, and I'm going to share with you the process. Now, you're going to use these tips which I'm going to tell you in today's video to make your writing more powerful and expressive, so that people would love to listen to you and they would love to read what you are going to write. So in this video, I'll be providing you some. Now, first of all, pre-write. Pre-writing is the process basically of brainstorming, generating your new ideas, and gathering information whatever you have already in your brain. So always try to pre-write, do pre-writing and do brainstorming. Just write down the bullet points that comes to your mind, and you can write well after you brainstorm once and you gather your ideas. So if you do so, your information would not be scattered and you will be able to write in a better way. Next up, I'm going to tell you that you are going to draft and revise your work. Drafting is the process of taking an idea that has formed in your head and putting it on a paper. Whereas on the other hand, revising is something that's taking your draft and making any changes that you want to improve further on. So people, you should first draft, and then you should revise your material, whatever you have written. In this way, drafting will help you to improve further and to refine your written expression, and revise will help you to make changes and improvements wherever you are lacking in writing. Do you know, these are the two little things that we usually ignore in writing? So today I'm gonna tell you that these are very special things to be remembered. So if you will draft and revise your stuff, you will become a very professional and a good writer. Next up, I'm going to talk to you about editing. Edit is the process of making your written piece of writing more readable, coherent, and understandable, so that people understand what you have written and what do you want to express. In this way, you can make your piece of writing more expressive and impressive as well. For further, after this, I'm gonna share with you another thing. That's publish. Once you have completed everything you have written on the stages of writing process, you can publish your piece of writing. You are now a very good writer. Do you know it? So now you can publish whatever you have written. It's an article, it's a book, it's a story, or anything else related to it. Let's publish your story or writing. After following these stages of writing, you will be able to publish your writing in a better way. So let's do it. Now, have fun and enjoy your writing skills, as I have guided you about the process of writing. So it's going to be a great help for you in future, and you're gonna be a very great writer. So have fun in your writing. Always add expressions, idiomatic phrases to make your writing more expressive and energetic as well for the reader, so that they would love to read you once again and again and again and again. So till my next video, do take care of yourself. Keep sharing, keep subscribing, and keep watching. This is Learn English with Amna. Keep subscribing this channel for more updated videos, and that's gonna be a great help. See ya, bye bye, hasta la vista.